Hey everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli and welcome to the Monday Morning Market Minute for March 29, 2021. We got a few days left in the first quarter of 2021. It's hard to believe we're here already, but there's a lot going on this week, so let's take a look at a couple of the key market movers. We continue to believe that the NASDAQ, the technology index, is trying to form a bottom. This would be very constructive because when sectors bottom, that means their next move will be higher. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ here together. Obviously, we saw in mid-February, we saw the NASDAQ reach a temporary short-term top. That's number one on the chart. And we saw the market pull back in a pretty swift way down towards the second level, the number two indicator on the chart there. Now, what we want to see is we want to see the NASDAQ hold above that level that's marked as number two. That was the low of the cycle. And if you look at the NASDAQ recently, it's been chopping sideways, which feels very stressful when you're investing, but it is a good sign. We want to see the market form a base and move higher from there. Bottoms in the market tend to be shown through strong reversals. And we did see a couple days last week where the market was firmly lower in the morning, only to reverse and finish higher in the afternoon. So that is a good sign. We want to see continued strength, and we would like to see the NASDAQ break out and move towards new all-time highs. As an update on Treasury yields are still a little bit elevated, but they seem to have found a temporary range between 1.6 and 1.7%, so that's okay. We still believe stocks, and particularly tech and growth stocks, can succeed in an environment with interest rates that low. We don't see them as a problem restricting growth anytime in the near future. An update on the Suez Canal. If you've been following along, there is a very large ship that's blocking the Suez Canal. It's been there almost a week, and it's costing about $9 billion a day in lost global trade. For people to go around the Suez Canal, it takes them 8 to 10 days additional. So there's going to be some delays in freight, and that's something that will have to work its way through the supply chain. As the quarter turns, you're likely to see a lot of volatility this week as investment managers start to reposition themselves for second quarter. But historically speaking, in a seasonality way, April tends to be a very good month in the markets. We've seen 15 of the last 15 years show gains in the month of April. So we will be interested to see if that trend will continue this year. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We went a little over a minute today, but a lot of important things to talk about. We'll see you back on Friday for the Heritage Market Pulse.